Hello and welcome to 2 Minutes of Anatomy. I am Dr. Donald Ozello of Championship Chiropractic in Las Vegas, Nevada. On today's episode of 2 Minutes of Anatomy, I'm going to speak about the Latissimus Dorsi muscle. In athletics, the Latissimus Dorsi is often abbreviated to the lats. The origins of the Latissimus Dorsi muscle include the spinous processes of thoracic vertebrae T7 through T12, the iliac crest, the thoracolumbar fascia, the 3 or 4th most inferior ribs, and the inferior angle of the scapula. The insertion of the Latissimus Dorsi muscle is the intertubercular groove of the humerus. The concentric actions of the Latissimus Dorsi muscle include adduction, internal rotation, and extension of the humerus. The Latissimus Dorsi muscle is innervated by the thoracodorsal nerve from vertebral levels C5, C6, and C7. Again, the origins of the Latissimus Dorsi muscle include the spinous processes of T7 through T12, the iliac crest, the thoracolumbar fascia, and the 3rd or 4th most inferior ribs, and the inferior angle of the scapula. The insertion is the intertubercular groove of the humerus. The concentric actions of the Latissimus Dorsi muscle are shoulder adduction, shoulder internal rotation, and shoulder extension. The innervation of the Latissimus Dorsi muscle is the thoracodorsal nerve from vertebral levels C5, C6, and C7.